Dear students, today we will discuss about second chapter Key Features of Indian Constitution. You had already studied about Constitution and its features. In this chapter, we will discuss about preamble to the Constitution, basic principles and ideals of Indian Constitution, and fundamental rights and duties. At first, preamble to the Constitution. The preamble is an introduction to the Constitution. It is often referred to as the soul of the Constitution. The preamble declares India to be a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and sets out the basic ideals of the Indian Republic. India is a sovereign state. It means that India is independent and free from any control of a foreign state. A socialist state ensures for its people adequate means of livelihood and fair distribution of wealth. A secular state does not enforce any particular religion. All Indians are free to practice, preach, and profess any religion or faith of their choice. Democratic state. Democracy means government of the people, by the people, and for the people. A democratic state is run by the representatives of the people who get elected through elections at regular intervals. Republic state. Republic means that India does not have a monarch. The head of the Indian Union is the President. Ideals of the Indian Republic. The basic ideals are justice, social, economic and political justice, liberty, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. Equality means all persons are equal before the law. Fraternity, a spirit of brotherhood amongst all people of India. Now, fundamental rights. There are 6 fundamental rights granted by the Constitution of India to its citizens. First, right to equality. It means all persons are equal in the eyes of law. Right to freedom. It means all citizens enjoy freedom of speech and expression to move freely, form associations and reside in any part of the country. Right against exploitation. It prohibits forced labor, child labor and human trafficking. Right to freedom of religion. It means all citizens are free to follow, propagate and profess any religion of their choice. Cultural and educational rights. All citizens are free to conserve and develop their own culture. Next, right to constitutional remedies. If the fundamental rights to the citizens are violated, they can knock the doors of the courts to get justice. Now, fundamental duties. The Constitution requires all citizens to fulfill their duties. These are respect for the Constitution, the noble ideals, to protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity, to defend the country, to promote harmony, to preserve our cultural heritage, to safeguard the public property, etc. Now, this chapter is completed. You are advised to read the chapter well. I have given some question answers in the image. You will write and learn. Thanks.